Hi and welcome to this course. In this very first lesson, I'm going to answer the most important question. And the most important question is, what is WordPress? Well, what exactly is WordPress? And to explain what WordPress is, I'm going to use the official definition. So you can also go to this website, wordpress.org. This is the official website of WordPress. And here on this website, on the front page of this website, you will see the official definition. So let's read it. WordPress is open source software you can use to create a beautiful website, blog, or app. Now let's leave this open source part for a bit. I will explain it in a minute. Okay, so let's read this definition without this open source. So WordPress is a software you can use to create a beautiful website, blog, or app. And that's what it is. It is just a software that helps you to build websites, that helps you to build blog, that helps you to build e-commerce application or forum application, social networking application, and different kind of web application. So it is a website builder software that helps you to create website. Okay, for example, Microsoft PowerPoint, it's a wonderful software and it helps you to create presentation. It helps you to create PowerPoint presentation. Microsoft Excel, it helps you to create spreadsheets, right? Adobe Premiere Pro, it helps you to edit videos. Just like that, WordPress is a software, and instead of editing videos, instead of creating spreadsheets, instead of creating PowerPoint presentation, WordPress is used to build websites. It is used to build blogs. It is used to build web application. Now let's talk about this open source. What does this even mean? Okay, so well, every single software in this world is built using a programming language, and every single software is nothing but lines and lines and lines of code written in a programming language. So what this open source mean is that the source code, the entire code of WordPress, okay, the entire code of WordPress, the entire coding of WordPress is available for free. You can see the code, you can modify it, you can redistribute it, and that's what open source means. It means that the source code is open to all. Okay, the entire coding is open to all. It's available for free. You can use it, you can view it, you can modify it, you can redistribute it, you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, that's what open source means. It means that the software, the entire coding of the software is free to use. It is free. You are free to modify, you are free to redistribute it. That's what it means. Okay, now if that was difficult for you to understand, then just understand that it is free. Okay, just understand that it is free. So WordPress is a free software you can use to build beautiful websites, blog, or applications. Right now let's talk about 2001 or 2002. In 2001 and in 2002, if people wanted to build a website, then at that point of time they had to learn to code. They had to learn HTML, they had to learn CSS, they had to learn PHP programming language, right? So at that point of time it was essential to learn to code. Okay, if you wanted to build website, then you had to learn to code. Right now, today, that is not the case. You can use WordPress and you can build website with WordPress without writing a single line of code. You don't need to write a single line of code. You don't have to write a single line of code. You can build a complete blog. You can build a forum application. You can build a social networking application just like Facebook. You can build a forum like Quora. You can build a video sharing platform just like YouTube. With WordPress, you can do all of that without writing a single line of code. So WordPress is an open source software you can use to build beautiful website, blog, and application without knowing to code. And that is the final thing that you need to learn, that you need to understand. It's a free software which you can use to build websites, blogs, and application. It's the most powerful software out there to build website, and it is available for free, and you don't have to learn to code. Okay, so that's what WordPress is, and I hope that you understood it. If you have any question, leave it down in the discussion section below. And that's it. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.